Hey, want some glass? We've got glass that's not manufactured. These are glass that are curved. Nobody's currently making these. I doubt that they ever will. We've sorted all our glass, and we have very few of these up for sale. We've got two sides. We'll take you to the other side in a minute, but I want to tell you that this is exclusive for our customers that are watching this video. If you mention glass when you call us or you email us and you have a special request, we will look for that glass for you. From 1965 and up, Cadillac was making curved glass. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to help out our customers with things that aren't listed if you just mention the word glass. As you can see, this glass is pretty dirty and we don't know the condition. But before you get the glass from Caddy Daddy, we're going to clean it up. We're going to check for scratches. Anything that's not quite right, we'll let you know and see if you still want it. But these glass have been stored inside for years and years and years. Thanks for taking a look.